Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your green dot virtual card by phone, follow these step-by-step instructions to get your card ready for online purchases. Step 1. Locate the customer service phone number provided with your green dot virtual card. This number is typically found in the welcome email or on the Green Dot website. Step 2. Call the Green Dot customer service number from a phone you have access to. Have your card details ready before making the call. Step 3. Listen to the automated menu options and select the option for card activation. You may need to press specific numbers on your keypad to navigate the menu. Step 4. When prompted, enter your virtual card number using your phone's keypad. Speak clearly if the system uses voice recognition technology. Step 5. Provide any additional verification information requested, such as your date of birth, social security number, or the security code associated with your card. Step 6. Listen carefully to the terms and conditions that may be read during the activation process. These are important for understanding your card's features and limitations. Step 7. Follow any additional prompts to set up security features, such as alerts for transactions or spending limits. Step 8. Wait for confirmation that your virtual card has been successfully activated. Write down any confirmation number provided and keep it for your records. Your card should now be ready for online shopping. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.